Introduce highlight features or overview summary of YUANRI fuel injector cleaner machine. There are features include advanced ultrasonic cleaning technology. The fuel injector tester and cleaner machine utilizes powerful ultrasonic cleaning to thoroughly remove stubborn carbon deposits from injectors, supporting internal/surface cleaning, reverse flushing, and non-disassembly on-vehicle cleaning. 11-point diagnostic and testing. The fuel injector machine with 11 pre-programmed modes, including leak-down testing, variable speed testing, and high-pressure seal inspection. The system evaluates spray pattern, leakage, clogging, injection angle, and fuel delivery uniformity across multiple engine speeds, idle, medium, high, and acceleration. 2 liters cleaner tank and heating function. The 140 ml test cylinder allows for simultaneous cleaning and testing of up to 4 fuel injectors. With a large 2000 ml capacity tank, it supports batch processing efficiently. The built-in cleaning fluid heating function warms the solution in the tank to 45 degrees Celsius, significantly improving carbon removal effectiveness. Precise control and stability. The fuel injector cleaner machine features a pressure adjustment knob for fine-tuning output, and allows parameter calibration, pressure, pulse width, test duration. Utilizing microcomputer-controlled closed-loop technology, it replicates actual engine operating conditions to deliver consistent and stable fuel pressure. Wide compatibility. Fuel injector tester and cleaner machine compatible with most 5 to 12 volts injectors, including direct injection, across cars, motorcycles, and EGI vehicles, with replaceable composite adapters for universal fitment. Intuitive interface and friendly design. Our fuel injector cleaner kit designed for ease of use. The interface features clear pressure gauges, fluid level indicators, and a high-definition LCD display for real-time monitoring. Cost-saving drain valves allow test and cleaning fluids to be easily recycled, while a high-performance oil pump ensures durable and reliable long-term operation. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.